Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix app appearance not showing in Snapchat in 2022. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open Snapchat, then tap on the profile icon, then tap on settings, and then let me show you here. App appearance is not showing in my Snapchat. To fix this, what you have to do is just simply go back and open settings in your phone, and after that you have to tap on app management, and search here for Snapchat. Tap on this, then tap on storage and cache, then clear the cache and clear storage. After doing this, go back and then tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions from here. I have already allowed the all permissions. If you don't, then what you have to do is just simply allow all permissions from here, and then go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply open Play Store in your phone. In case of iPhone, you have to open App Store, then tap on Snapchat. So you can see here it's showing open. If it's showing update, then what you have to do is just simply up to date and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. So if this trick also doesn't work for you, then what you have to do is just simply tap on I need help, and then tap on contact us. So from here you have to select I need help with Snapchat feature, and you will see this type of interface. Just tap on settings, so you can see here a form will appear here. So just simply type your username of Snapchat and give your email address here, which is connected to your Snapchat account or any active email, and just simply type for your problem, hello Snapchat team. I don't have app appearance option. In my Snapchat, so please enable this option to my Snapchat. Thanks. After writing this, what you have to do is just simply tap on send, and your request will be sent to Snapchat team, and you will receive a response from Snapchat team for fixing your problem. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.